Hello? Today download this free Etsy training guide. How to make money on Etsy. See the download link below. What you will discover in this guide. Etsy is a huge arts and crafts platform where many people are making good money with. Learn to choose the right niche, and you don't even have to create the products yourself. In this guide you will find many ideas for products that you can acquire, and then resell on Etsy. It is essential that you set up your Etsy shop in the right way, and you will learn exactly how to do this in this guide. Learn to set up product listings properly, and this will mean the difference between success and failure on Etsy. Follow the techniques in this guide to create winning product listings. Learn how to promote your Etsy shop within the Etsy community and outside of it. Ensure that your shop and product listings are fully SEO optimized using the methods in this guide. Use the tactics discussed to increase your sales, and use external websites to drive more traffic to your Etsy shop. You will learn about different types of products you can sell, both physical and digital products, and much more. See the direct download link below to access this PDF ebook guide completely free. As always, there are no sign-up required, no annoying sales funnel, no ads in the guide, no BS. It's 100% free training content for our viewers. Thanks so much for viewing. Please share this video and subscribe to How to Webmaster YouTube channel for more free tutorials and training guides. Thanks again, and happy marketing!